This is URK 19CS1093, experiment number 6, Kruskal's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree in a graph. This is the A to write a program to implement Kruskal's algorithm for finding MST in the graph. So let's see the code. So first, to get a structure to represent a weighted edge in graph, we are defining a class called edge, and inside that we are declaring integer variables like src, then dest and weight. Then next is structure to represent a connected, undirected and weighted graph. So we are creating a class called graph, and inside it we are giving a I'm giving two integer variables, capital V and E. Capital V represents number of vertices and capital E represents number of edges. And graph is represented as an array of edges. Since the graph is undirected, the edge from SRC to dest is also edge from destiny to SRC. Both are counted as one edge here. So edge pointer edge. Now coming out of it, we are creating a graph with V vertices and E edges. So we are creating it and we are passing two integers V and E, where graph pointer graph equal to new graph and the graph of V equal to V and graph of E equal to E. And we are storing new edge of E's value into graph of edge and we are returning the graph. Now we are creating a structure to represent a subset for union find. That class is called subset, and inside that we are initializing teachers parent and rank. And coming out of it, we are creating a utility function to find set of an element I uses path compression technique. So we are passing an integer called find, and we are passing subsets array int I. Then we are doing this code for finding the root and make root as parent of I. So using if condition, we are checking whether subsets of I dot parent not equal to I, subsets of I dot parent equal to find out subsets of I dot parent. If this condition is true, then it will return subsets of I dot parent. Now next is function that does the union of two sets of x and y, uses union by rank. Now we are creating a function called union, and we are passing subsets of array, then in x into y. Then inside that we are storing find of subsets comma x value into x root and find of subsets comma y into y root. Now we attach smaller rank tree under root of high rank tree union by rank. So we are storing subsets of x dot rank less than subsets of y root dot rank. Then we are storing, if this condition is true, then we are storing y root value into subsets of x root dot parent. If this condition is wrong, then it will go to the else if part, where subsets of x root dot rank is greater than subsets of y root dot rank. That will store x root into subsets of y root dot parent. Next is if rank are same, then make one as root and increments its rank by 1. Else subsets of y root dot parent equal to x root, subsets of x root dot rank is incremented. Now coming out of it, we are comparing two edges according to their weights using quicksort for sorting an array of edges. So we are creating a function myCom and we are passing two arguments and we are storing edge pointer of A into edge pointer A1 and edge pointer B into edge pointer B1, and we are returning A1 weight greater than B1 of weight. The main function to construct the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm is we are now creating a function called Kruskal's MST graph pointer graph, and inside that we are storing graph of V's value into V, and we are creating an edge result of V. This is will store the result in MST. Now we are initializing e equal to 0, that is an index variable used for result array. Then I equal to 0, an index variable used for sorted edges. Now we are doing quick sort of graph of edge, graph of e, then size of graph of edge of 0, comma, my comma. This is to sort all the edges in non-decreasing order of their weight. If we are not allowed to change the given graph, we can create a copy of the array of edges. For this, that only we are doing this. Then to allocate the memory for creating V subsets, we are initializing subset pointer subsets equal to new subset of V into size of subset. Then we are creating V subsets with single element using a for loop. V equal to 0, V less than capital V, V plus plus V. Then inside that we are initializing V's value into subsets of V dot parent and 0 as subsets of V dot rank. Now coming to the number of edges to be taken is equal to V minus I. We are using a while loop where E is less than capital V minus 1 and then I less than graph of E. If this condition is true, then it will go to pick the smallest edge and increment the index for next iteration. Then it will be like find of subsets comma next underscore h dot src's value will be into x, and find of subsets next underscore h dot des will be into y, value will be initialized into y. Then to including this edge doesn't cause cycle, include it in result and increment the index of result for next edge. For that we are creating an if loop. Inside that we are asking the condition if x not equal to y, then next underscore edge value will be stored in the resultant of e plus plus and union of subset comma x comma y. Else discard the next underscore edge. Now coming out of it, we are printing the contents of resultant array to display the built minimum spanning tree. Now we are printing the following are the edges in the constructed MST. Then we are initializing minimum cost as 0. Using a for loop, we are printing I equal to 0, I less than e, I plus plus I. Then inside that, we are printing the result of I dot src, result of I dot rest equal to result of I dot weight. Then minimum of cost we are initializing the equation for it is minimum cost plus result of I dot weight. Then coming out of it, we are printing minimum cost spanning trees. We will print the value of minimum cost. Now coming into the main code, that is driver code, we are initializing v equal to 4 and capital E equal to 5, which are the number of vertices and edges in graph. Then we are doing graph pointer graph equal to create graph function create graph, which has arguments v and e. Now we are adding the edge 0 to 1 as graph of edge 0 dot src equal to 1 as 0, graph of edge of 0 dot des equal to 1, graph of edge of 0 dot weight is 10. Likewise, we'll add edge 0 to 2, then 0 to 3, 0 1 to 3, and then 2 to 3. Now at last, it will call function call is crystal mst graph. It will call for the function and it will return 0. So let's run the program and see. So this is the output of the following code. Following are the edges in the constructed MST 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is equal to 4, 0 to 3 equal to 5, 0 to 1 equal to 10. Minimum cost spanning tree is 90. Thank you.